ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም ይህን ቪዲዮ እና ከዚህ ቪዲዮ በተከታታይ የምለቃቸው ቪዲዮዎች በማቴማቲክስ ፎር ናቹራል ሳይንስ የፍሬሽማን ስቱደንት ፋይናል ኤግዛሞችን ከአዲስ አበባ ሳይንስ እና ቴክኖሎጂ ዩኒቨርሲቲ እና ከተለያዩ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች አዲስ አበባ ዩኒቨርሲቲ፣ ወልቂጤ ዩኒቨርሲቲ፣ ወሎ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኤንሶን ከተለያዩ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች ያሰባሰብኳቸውን የፋይናል ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎች በተከታታይ ቪዲዮ እየሰራው ለቅላችኋለሁ። ስለዚህ ይህን ቪዲዮ አይታችሁ የወደዳችሁት ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የኖቲፊኬሽን ደወሏን በመጫን ተከታታይ የምለቃቸው ቪዲዮዎች እንዲደርሷችሁ አድርጉ። ከአዲስ አበባ ሳይንስና ቴክኖሎጂ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ከአምናው ፋይናል ኤግዛም እንጀምራለን። ምን ነበረው? 3 አይነት ታይፖች ነበሩት የፋይናል ኤግዛሙ። የመጀመሪያው ታይፕ ፊሊንግ ዘ ብላንክ ነው። ቀጥሎ መልቲፕል ቾይስ ነው። ኤንድ ዜን ፋይናሊ ወርክአውት። እንቀጥል። In the first problem, what you have given is A union B is the set of all x such that x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and B union C is the set of all x from the set of real number such that absolute value of 2x minus 3 is less than 5. So you have these two sets. Then the problem, what's the claim? The claim is what's A intersection C union B. Now look, the given A union B, the given B union C. The claim is A intersection C union B. So immediately we have to see that distribution of union over intersection, what it will give us. If we distribute this one, we will have A union B, C union B, A union B, C union B, B union C. So, ይህን ስናገኝ immediately የተጠየቅነውን ጥያቄ immediately for the problem what we are asked, we apply here distribution property. A intersection C union B is equal to, when we distribute it, A union B intersection, this one, C union B, C union B. So, A union B is given here, B union C, C union B, union is commutative, is here. So, we have to know the elements of these two to get the intersection. Look, A union B is the set of all x such that x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That's the solution of this equation are the elements of A union B. So we have to solve first this one. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize. Two numbers, their multiplication is minus 3 and their sum is minus 2. Negative 3 and 1. So it's factorization. Since the coefficient is 1, simply the factorization will be x plus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. The product of these two numbers to be 0, either of the two factors should be 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. From this we get that x is equal to negative 1, or x is equal to 3. So the elements of A union B are minus 1 and 3. They said. What about B union C? B union C is the set of all x such that absolute value of 2x minus 3 less than 5. Now, absolute value of 2x minus 3 less than 5. From the property of absolute value, we know that absolute value of A less than 5 means minus 5 less than A less than 5. So apply that property here. Consider 2x minus 3 as A. Therefore, this implies minus 5 less than 2x minus 3 less than 5. Then add both sides 3. All the three sides 3. When we add 3 in all terms, it will give us minus 5 plus 3 less than 2x less than 5 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. So minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 less than 2x less than 5 plus 3, 8. We are looking for x. The elements are x. What are those x? Making this open statement true. Those are our elements. Therefore, minus 2 less than 2x less than 8. We need x. So when we divide all sides by 2, this will give us minus 2 over 2 minus 1 less than x less than 8 over 2, that is 4. So all real numbers between minus 1 and 4, that's B union C. So B union C, less than, strictly less than. So we will have open interval minus 1 up to 4. And A union B, minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. What's our claim? Our claim is to find the elements of the set, or to find the set A intersection C union B. That's the intersection of these two sets. Now what's the intersection between these two sets? Look, minus 1 does not belong to the second set. Here it is an element, so it is not common element. 4 up to 4, 3 is inside this interval. So 3 is common element for both. Therefore, our answer will be the set containing 3. That's the first fill in the blank problem. ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ምን ይላል? Any subset of the set of natural number has a least element by a well-ordering principle. It's true or false? Now, look. Any subset from any subset, we have that impede set is the subset of the set of natural number. Does it have a least element? So, no. Therefore, our answer is false. ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ, question number 3. Find the simplest rectangular form of the complex number 1 plus I raised to 100. What's the simplest rectangular form of this complex number? So we need to write this number in the form of A plus BI, the simplest form, rectangular form. So what we need to apply here? Remember, raised to n form of the complex number. We have the formula z raised to n is equal to r raised to n in bracket cos n theta plus I sin n theta. We write the complex number in this form, where the polar form of the complex number z is r comma theta. Now here our z is 1 plus I. So we consider z as 1 plus I. So from this we know that tan theta means y over x, real imaginary part over real part of the complex number. Tan theta 1 1. That's 1 over 1, that is 1. So tan theta will be 1 whenever theta is, look, positive, positive, first quadrant. So theta is pi over 4. We have theta, we have n raised to 100, n is 100. What's r for the complex number? Real part, imaginary part. So r is the square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Therefore, this is the square root of 1 plus 1. That is the square root of 2. Now, after we got those value r, n, theta, we need to substitute here to get 1 plus I the power of 100 to the form of A plus BI. Therefore, 1 plus I raised to 100 is equal to r for z 1 plus I. We have r is radical 2. Therefore, r raised to n, radical 2 raised to n. What's n? The power of 100. N is 100. In bracket, cos n theta. Cos 100. Theta is pi over 4. Plus I sine n theta 100 pi over 4. This is equal to radical 2 means to the power of 1 over 2. So times 100, 100 over 2. Radical 2 to the power of 1 over 2. In bracket, 100 over 4 cos 25 pi plus I sine 100 times pi over 4, 25 pi. Look, 25 pi, the coefficient of pi is odd natural number. So in our rotation, we have here even n pi. Whenever n is even, we are here, the angle is 0. When it is odd, we are here, the angle is pi, equivalent to pi. Therefore, cos 25 means here the point is it's odd, 25 is odd. Therefore, this point is minus 1 comma 0. Cosine is minus 1, sine is 0. So this value is negative 1 and this value is 0. Therefore, the result will be to the power of 50, cos minus 1 plus 0. So our answer will be minus to the power of 50. This is our answer. ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ፣ የደወል ምልክቷን ተጫኑ። የዚህ ተከታይ ፕሮብሌሞች ሶሉሽን ወደ እናንተ እንዲደርሱ ይረዳቸዋል። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ሰላም።